Is it on there?
Yeah, can I don't know that?
Yeah, we're just going to replace the screen on a Samsung Galaxy Tab 3.
Can you read?
And first of all, we have to remove.
Stop putting the stop and
We have
stop.
to remove
Okay.
the screen here by just prying around the edges to get the clips off, and it'll just come out then. Pause.
Yeah, press it.
This is Samsung Galaxy Tab 3 screen replacement that got damaged. We just pried around the edges to release the back from it. The back comes off. We are now going to remove 4 screws, disconnect the battery and the digitizer cable.
Yeah.
We just disconnected the battery there, and the battery comes out. Cut.
Cut.
Yeah.
Okay.
We just disconnected the battery, and the battery comes out. And we disconnected the digitizer, and we just put the battery in a safe place. Cut. We now got to heat up around the edges and pry around to remove the screen. We're heating up the glue, and we were meant to have a heat gun, but we didn't have one, so we're trying it with a hairdryer. Just heat up the glue and remove the screen and replace it with the other screen. Cut.
Yeah, I just started there.
As we heat her up, we're just gonna cut around the edges and release the glue. Going around handy enough, isn't it?
It is.
Jeez, you cut yourself down.
Are you alright?
No, I nearly did. Shit just crashed out.
You know this is still on.
Oh, we can do that.
Yeah.
This is easy.
Good.
Under the cable, Richie, yeah?
That's the way he done it anyway. He lifted it back.
I'll cut there. Go.
So we just peel off the skin. Oh, stop there again. We just peel off the screen. There's adhesive glue. And there's just LCD and there's our cracked screen removed. You need to keep on to the button because we'll be reusing the button. Put that in a safe place. And we remove any glue around the edges. Yeah, just give the LCD a wipe before you put it back on. Make sure it's nice and clean, and then we're going to put the button in place and stick it in the self-adhesive glue on the back of that. We just peel off the sticker and stick it in place. Connect the digitizer, connect the battery, and put it back together.
Yeah.
We're just inserting the button here. Getting ready to place the screen in. You have to be careful when doing this because everything has to line up at the first go. Make sure your LCD screen is clean and no glass on it. Cut. And we're just going to put the screen in place now. We have to be very careful, everything has to line up. Make sure it's sticking. connect the digitizer, put in the battery, connect the battery, put it all back together, and you should be working then. Cut. I'm just going to turn in the battery now and reconnecting it. Cut.
Can't breathe.
Now we just put in the screws and see is the tablet working. Where's the screws?
Be sure to finish the shoe off.
It's done right.
Is that?
Just hope that it works.
Yeah, it'll work fine now.
You want to screw it down right?
Can't see no one.
See well. Now we just check to see if it works. As you see here now, the tablet's actually working. We connected everything right. So all we gotta do is just clip the back on. Make sure everything's working on it before we do it. That's the touchscreen working. The apps are working. Let me just clip it back in. There's your new screen. Button working. Yeah, it's all working. There's your screen replacement.
Well done.
Well done.